comes in with a round face, and we want to build a square shape. On the right side, I'm going to use Head Shape Matters, cutting all at 180 from Head Shape, starting with a short guide length, and this will increase my length as I go down the head shape. And then I'm going to leave a strong perimeter so that the shape has something to sit on. And on the left side, I'm going to cut a square shape. Just pulling the hair out from the parietal ridge down, straight out 90 from the floor, and then from parietal ridge to the top of the head, I will continue to cut the square. After styling this out, we can see that the square projected shape looks more rounded. Let's look at a round shape. On the left side, I'm going to cut a round shape in the hair while the hair is projected. So I'm just working throughout that entire left side, which is her right side, and cutting everything 90 degrees from head shape, round layers, to see if I can get a round shape. On the other side, I used Head Shape Matters to try to create a round when the hair falls. So I'm going through each 1-inch tall section and cutting predetermined cutting angles to create a rounded shape once the hair returns to gravity. Let's try building a 45-degree shape. Attempting to build a 45-degree shape, on the left side, I am going to just cut the hair at a 45-degree angle from the floor, holding the hair out parallel to the floor and cutting the 45-degree angle on the end, continuing that same angle all the way up the head shape. So it's a 45-degree angle in projection. But that doesn't take into account what will happen once that hair falls into gravity. On the other side, it almost looks like a 90 from the floor that I'm cutting to achieve a 45-degree shape. You'll see me place my comb. That's showing me the head shape. And then I move the hair to find my predetermined cutting angle. And in Head Shape Matters, that's what we call a formula. So we pre-select cutting angles based off of the length of hair and the head shape to determine what cutting angles we need to achieve a certain shape. And in this case, we were trying to achieve a 45-degree shape.